welcome back to my channel. It's your girl LovelyJodiAnn bringing you back another video. I first want to start off this video by saying Happy New Year, Happy 2020. I wish you all a year filled with love, joy, laughter, happiness, and lots of success. So in today's video, I'll be taking you guys on the journey of me creating my 2020 vision board. A vision board, also known as a mood board, a manifestation board, or a dream board, is essentially a board filled with images, pictures, and affirmations of things that you want to achieve, your goals, and your dreams. So hopefully this video gives you inspiration of how to create your own vision board and just gives you inspiration on a whole that you can achieve or accomplish anything that you put your mind to with little images as a reminder. As you guys seen, I already created the base of my board. So I have 2020 vision board down already, and I have these birds kind of flying up just as a representation of me wanting to elevate, me wanting to only go up, not down. So that's what I have, and I bought a whole bunch of products. I have some letters, some glue, some glitter, and I couldn't find a magazine with images, so I just printed out some images off the internet. And let's just get right into it. So I'll just start off by cutting all my images, and then I'll tell you guys what each image represents or means to me and why I want it on my board. So of course, you want your images to be very personable, and you want it to look good, because at the end of the day, this is something you're gonna constantly see on a daily basis. And you want to feel inspired, and if your inspiration is colorful, is more personal to you, you're going to feel more inspired to achieve those goals and those dreams. So let's get right into it. I finished cutting out all of my images, so now I'm just going to paste on everything, and then after I'll explain to you guys what each image means on my board. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I'm just gonna paste everything down now. Everything is fit on my board, and I'll show you guys the end result. This is the end result of my vision board. So now I'll just explain to you what each image means to me. So first over here we have a group of diverse looking girls looking into a sunset. It just represents my friendships with my different groups of friends, and it just says that we stick together. We're looking into the sunset, so we're just looking into whatever is to hold for our future within the friendship. My next one says make yourself a priority. It's just a constant reminder that I gotta put myself first, even if it's selfish. I have to make myself a priority and put my needs first. Then I have the word fearless on top. I have a Bon Voyage image over here because I want to do a lot of traveling for this year. I have this image over here of this dark-skinned woman with a very fierce makeup look, so just to remind myself that I'm very fierce, and just to really appreciate my skin. Now over here I just have like an image of a water bottle, just a reminder for me to stay hydrated and to drink water and mind my business. My next couple images I have here, it's like a road to success, so it's just a constant reminder that success is a journey. It doesn't happen overnight. You have to continue that journey in order to achieve success. Then I have this beautiful black woman smiling, and it's just a manifestation that I will have straight teeth soon. I'll have a beautiful smile that I can show off. Then here I have like a little guide that says healthy eating. So it's a reminder of what items eat a little bit, eat at a medium level, and eat a lot of. So it's a little reminder. Then we go down here. I have a little silhouette of a car just because I want to be able to get a vehicle for this year. Now over here I have self-love isn't selfish. So remember, sorry, self-care isn't selfish. Just a reminder that I have to put my care and my needs first, and it isn't selfish to do so. Next over here I have an image of Jamaica. You guys already know I'm Jamaican, and I just love visiting there, and hopefully I get to take a trip there twice. Over here, so let me explain these two images. So I have this like dark skinned couple embracing each other, and I have this fine white chocolate gentleman over here holding a glass of some type of probably alcohol maybe. And it's just obviously I am single, and you know, if love comes about, it does. And when it does, I hope it's as strong as this couple over here, or as fine as this young gentleman. Next over here I have a map with a little traveling suitcase, because as I said before, I want to do a lot of traveling. Then I have a little quote over here that says be consistent. So it's just reminding myself that I need to hold myself accountable, and if I want to see changes in my life, if I want my goals to be accomplished, or my goals or my dreams to come true, I have to stay consistent. And over here I have an image of one of my thumbnails I had on one of my videos of me in Jamaica with my little sister Jodi-Ann, and it's just a reminder that I want to go to Jamaica again this year because I had such a great time. Now we go over here and I have I don't know what it's called. It's just to represent that I need to have a work-life balance, and I make sure that even though yes I am making money, I need to enjoy my life at the same time. So just maintaining that balance. Over here I have the YouTube play button. So obviously I am on YouTube, and I want to achieve great achievements on YouTube. And if I bring it down here, I have some images of the plaque that you can get off of YouTube. So it's just a manifestation that, you know, eventually I want to get those plaques. Eventually I want to get those plaques. I will get those plaques. Speak it into existence. On top here I have get comfortable being uncomfortable. So it's a reminder that when I'm in an uncomfortable state, it challenges me to want to do more. When I'm comfortable, I'm just comfortable. There's nothing more to that. But when I'm uncomfortable, it challenges me to do more. So that's just a little reminder. If I go up here, I have a little image of a highway and someone driving. So it's just a reminder that life is a highway. Life may not always work out in your favor. It may not always be a straight path, but you just have to continue on that highway, just like that song. Life is a highway, I wanna ride it all night long. Then down here we have DJ Khaled saying gratitude is a must. So if you know that song by the Jamaican artist Coffee, she sings a song to us, yeah. Gratitude is a must, yes. So it's just honestly a reminder that I need to be grateful for whatever I have. And you know, I use the example because he's a very powerful person and he's really big on inspiration on the internet. So yeah, just be grateful, have gratitude always. Come down here and we have be the best version of yourself. So it's a constant reminder that even if life gets tough, even if trials come my way, just still stay true to myself and remaining to be the best version of myself. Then down here I have some tech equipment, and you know, I just want to become more advanced in the tech world. Down here, well, to the left, I have invest in yourself. It's like the other quotes, you know, make yourself a priority, put yourself first no matter what, because the greatest investment that you can have in anything you do in this life is for yourself. Over here I have I am financially free. Although I currently do not have any debts, I want to be able to reach that point in my life that money will not be an issue. So financial freedom. Over here, coming from a very spiritual background, this was one of my personal favorite Bible verses. It's from Philippians 4 verse 13, saying that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. So it's a reminder that I am nothing and I can do nothing without God. Believe it or not, that's just my personal belief. Over here, I have families forever. So it's a reminder that my family, no matter what we go through, the relationship is forever. Now over to the right, I have a silhouette of a girl with a fro and a crown on top. So it's just remember that I'm a black queen. and there was a quote that says, "Chin up or the crown slips." So it's a reminder that I need to keep my head held high and make sure my crown stays on my head. Now I go down over here and I have a variety of hairstyles. You know, I'm trying to slay, so I need to be very versatile with my hair, as well as just feeling comfortable wearing my natural hair. Now we go over to the right, and this is just like some makeup aesthetics. So just some of the products that I personally use. Then up top we have, this is kind of like the image, the poster that I did purchase in the summer. It's just 3 little girls praying. Reminds me of myself and my sisters praying, and it's just like, no matter what I go through in my life, I have to pray. Now over here I have some images of some purses. These are personally my favorite designer purses that I currently do not have, so it's more so of a manifestation. It's obviously not a need, but it's more so a want, and it's just something that I would want to treat myself in the future. Now we go over here, and it's my twin. It's my girl Ryan Destiny. She's over here slaying, and I put it on my vision board because I just want to remember that I can be fierce just like her, and I can slay every day. Going up over here, we have a bunch of houses. I want that to open up the door for me to learn about real estate and potentially get many houses in the future. Now over here, I have a little check mark on buy because I aim to buy, not to rent anymore. Over here, I have an image of a girl here holding herself. It's a reminder of self-love, loving myself, making myself first priority. And that's the end of my 2020 vision board. So yes, I did leave some space because I want to add some inspirational words. But yeah, this is what I have. I hope this video inspires you to create your own vision board. And remember, it's just a board of images to allow you to see your goals, your dreams, and your aspirations. And if you believe it, you can achieve it. Thanks for coming back and watching this video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share.
I'ma make it for certain. I know it's all gonna be worth it.